Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I had a wonderful time and now I'm heading to the airport and Sunny's in the back. I guess she said she's hungry, she wants something to eat, so we're heading towards the airport and I'm gonna get her something to eat. There's two major Sangster, that's in Montego Bay, and Norman Manley is in Kingston. So we're gonna go there and then I'll come back and I'm gonna chat to you a little bit. Alright guys. We are here at the patty place, Tasty's Patties, and there's a KFC here. So I'm gonna get my daughter something to eat and I'm gonna grab some. Can you see the sign? There it is, Tasty's Patty. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna get something. I'm gonna go in, guys, and I'm gonna grab a few patties and I'm gonna get few patties. Can you see the Tasty sign? I'm gonna grab 2 beef and 2 chicken and a coke. Guys, I'm kind of happy and I'm kind of sad. This trip to Jamaica was awesome. I had a lot to eat. Look for me, guys. Look for me. Look for my face. But anyhow, I'm gonna start to eat was amazing. We had a wonderful time. I went many places. I went to the country, to my girlfriend's country up in the hills, Lavence Tavern, way up. And my daughter and I, we have a lot of fun. So guys, thank you so much for coming along with me on my trip to Jamaica, ride or die. And I'm almost at the airport now. We're just driving in, and then in a few minutes, and then I'm gonna talk to you a little bit more, and then we're gonna board. And once we reach, I will talk to you a little bit more, and then I'm gonna edit a lot of video. And I'm so tired now, and I have to go to work tonight as well. So never give up in life, and strive for what you want. Just work hard at it, and God first. And guys, I love you, and I'll see you soon. Pick up Yardy Vibes, Jamaican style. Alright guys, see you later. And guys, we are here. I need to rush to go check on before the people them plane leave me. And we are here, Norman Manley International Airport. So guys, right now I'm gonna run to check on, and then I'll talk to you a little bit. Okay guys, see you soon. So guys, I'm at Norman Manley International Airport, and I'm at the end where we have all our national heroes and one heroine. And this is it. It says out of many one people, and it all have that shebang there. I'll just take a picture for you later, right there. And I'm gonna start right here. Should I start there or here? It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna start here guys. We have Sam Sharp, and you know I'm from Montego Bay. And the next one is George William Gordon, 1980. And the next one is Sir Alexander Bustamante, and 1967. And this handsome fellow here is Norman Manley, 1971. Handsome, very different, very unique. And I'm gonna leave the lady for last. Here we have standing tall is Mr. Paul Bogle, 1962. And at the back we have Marcus Mosiah Garvey, 1968. He's strong, firm, looking handsome as well. This is Nanny of the Maroon. She's the only heroine, and she's 1979. Very fierce, very brave, courageous. And if you read all these the birth of the national monuments right here on the wall, it tells you a little bit the symbol of hope, unity and progress. Up there says just after Jamaica was granted independence in 1962. All of that, it just gives you a little snaps. And over here as well, and up there it says after over 3 centuries of the British rule with status and symbols projecting the greatness of the British Empire. So it tells you a little bit up there as well. And here we have out of many one people, and it has the national anthem. Eternal Father, bless our land, guard us with our mighty hand, keep us free from evil powers, be our light through countless hours, through our leaders, great defenders, grant through wisdom from above, justice, truth, be always forever, Jamaica, a land we love. And it has more down there, and it has a little bit of reading as well. That's our national flag, our national bird, the hummingbird. So that's the ackee and saltfish, what I show you guys, and that's it. And over here it tells you a little bit more, and that's it. And that's the Alvin Merritt 1902 to 1992, and it tells you a little bit more. So this is beautiful, and it's at the Norman Manley International Airport. Okay guys, see you later. Be gone. Take care. And guys, we're so tired. We just boarded the plane. It takes forever, like almost an hour. Say hi, Sunny.
Hi.
So
and I was hungry when we got to the airport.
yeah, so she got some nuggets, some Burger King nuggets and fries. And guys, I got some patty and cocoa bread. I'm gonna eat it after the plane takes off. And we're just gonna pray that we reach safe, and when I reach I will just shout you out guys. So we're gonna relax now and hope we have a safe flight home, and I'll see you guys soon. Kisses, say bye. Alright, see you later guys. And guys, we just touched down. We are so excited. Say hi, Sunny. Alright, say we are home. And we have to give God thanks for that. And guys, it was an amazing trip. And now we're home. I'm gonna haul myself to work soon. And guys, I will see you soon. Peace out and be blessed, and put God first. Say bye, Sunny.
Bye. And I think it's foggy because I can't see the